Hello guys, welcome back to YouTube Engineer YouTuber, and in this video we'll learn what is SCADA. So SCADA is nothing but supervisory control and data acquisition system. This is the full form of SCADA. What SCADA do? SCADA do the controlling, monitoring, and acquisition. Controlling, if we give any input, we get output. The controlling system is like if we have a analog one input and we need to on a actuator. So we can work with SCADA also. We can do monitoring as in HMI and acquisition, data acquisition. We can keep our data in the form of PDF, or we can regularly track the data whatever we get in the industry, like how much production we have done and all the data is acquired in the system. So this is the SCADA. So I have downloaded two images of SCADA system from uh, internet. I will explain that in this slide. This one is very small. Can I zoom it? Yes. I know the picture quality is not good, but at least it is visible and I can explain it. So this is our SCADA system. Uh, uh, so this is the SCADA system, and this is this PLC. It is connected to HMI. Here is a embedded controller. We use the Ethernet TCP/IP communication for, and the second communication is Modbus TCP/IP. Here is RTU unit. RTU is nothing but remote terminal units. It is different than PLC and costlier than PLC, but RTU are used for satellite communication and over there. So here's the HMI connected to PLC and RTU. This PLC, here's the converter. I don't know why they use converter, but here's the converter. So SCADA system communicate means have different communication system, and it reliable to SCADA system. So SCADA system can connect to embedded system, PLC and RTUs different. So PLC have different input outputs, analog and digital outputs. So this is the SCADA system, one of the example, and another one I have downloaded from internet. This is the SCADA system. These are the three PLC, and they have different inputs, like this PLC is connected to VFD, variable frequency drive, control valves, controllers. So RTU, RTD. This is a temperature sensor, flow meter, and again a VFD. So this is a simple SCADA system. You can understand a different PLC, different analog and digital input connected and drive connected, and all are connected to the SCADA system. So we can view and monitor the uh, different devices in the total system or in industry. So we move back to our second question. You understand the SCADA, what is SCADA, and from image. So what is difference between SCADA and HMI? This question is normally used in interview many times before that. So means, what is the difference between SCADA and HMI? SCADA is nothing but a software, and HMI is a hardware, and we use a software over there. So for SCADA system, we only need a PC to install a software, and we can use it. So this is the main difference between the SCADA and HMI. Okay, and but obviously SCADA is a widely used in a big scale industry, as HMI is a small scale industry device. We can say that HMI also used in a big industry, but for monitoring HMIs and different line of process, we use the SCADA system. For example, so we move to third question. Where do we use the SCADA system? SCADA system are used in chemical industries, gas and oil industries, food processing industry, pharmaceutical industries. There are a lot of use of SCADA system. So SCADA system are widely used, and the as in before video I have explained the HMI system. You can go and watch that. But where I explained the hundred of tank we can connected to our HMI, and we can display all the temperature sensors and whatever the sensor are connected to that tank. But if we have one system over there of 100 tanks, so think about it, we have 10 system of 100 tanks, means in first line there are multiple tanks, on second line there are multiple tanks, on third line multiple tank, multiple sensors, multiple actuators, multiple input outputs. So we can monitor on a master system. As a master system, we use a SCADA to monitor and control purpose. So you better understand the SCADA system now. And the fourth one is the most important question. If you are a automation engineer, or you want to do a career in the automation industry, so scope in industry as a SCADA developer and engineer, I say a big opportunities in a SCADA, as a SCADA engineer, as a SCADA developer. In the industry of automation, it is a second most important post after PLC engineer or a PLC developer. So as I say, SCADA developer have a good amount of money, and there are multiple make SCADA systems, like Siemens have WinCC SCADAs, Ignition SCADAs, InTouch SCADA. Then different company have different SCADA system. So if you work on a single SCADA system, you know the multiple possibilities of SCADA, how develop. And if you have a HMI design background, you can also develop a SCADA system. But SCADA is means uh, HMI is a 10th standard syllabus. So SCADA is like a degree, means you have an engineering degree like of syllabus. So SCADA is a wide means you can learn a lot of things in SCADA. So you you understand. If you have any question related to SCADA system, you can text me, or you can comment down below. If you like it, dislike it, or uh, you have any query related to a SCADA system, please comment down below. Please like, subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching this video.